Hi there, and welcome to Lesson 1. I'm really excited to start this journey with you and hope you feel the same way too. Before we learn any tools or systems, there's something very important to understand. This is not just about learning how to do tasks. This is about becoming the kind of person people can trust and rely on. Today's lesson is really about you, how you think, how you plan, and how you manage your life. Before we go any further, I want to highlight the real goal of this lesson. This is not about doing tasks well. This is about becoming dependable. A strong virtual assistant is someone who shows up, follows through, and works with calm and intention. That starts with your habits, long before you ever work with a client. The truth about organization. Let's be clear about something important. A calendar will not make you organized. A notebook will not make you organized. Trello will not make you organized. Tools don't create organization, they support it. Real organization comes from how you think, plan, and show up every day. Organization is a lifestyle. Organization is not something you switch on at work. Your habits follow you everywhere. If you forget things, delay tasks, or feel overwhelmed in your personal life, those habits will show up in your work. But the good news is, if you start planning, writing things down, and building small routines, those habits will improve your work too. How you live daily is how you will work. Why systems matter. Instead of relying on memory, we create systems. A system is simply a structured way of doing something so you don't have to think about it every time. I'll give you three system examples. One, using a calendar instead of remembering dates. Two, writing tasks down instead of keeping them in your head. Three, organizing files so you don't waste time searching. Systems make life lighter, clearer, and easier to manage. What structure does for you? When you bring structure into your life, things start to change. You feel less stressed, you know exactly what needs to be done, you make fewer mistakes, and you become more reliable. Instead of reacting to everything, you start moving through your day with purpose. Becoming a great virtual assistant doesn't start with a client. It starts at home with how you handle your daily responsibilities. If you avoid things, wait to be reminded, or do things halfway, those habits will follow you into your work. But if you take responsibility, do things properly, and stay consistent, that becomes part of who you are. And that is what builds trust. One of the most important qualities of a great virtual assistant is taking responsibility from start to finish. This means you don't need someone to keep reminding you or checking on you. If a task is given to you, you make sure it gets done properly. You track it, you follow up if needed, and you don't forget about it halfway. For example, if you send an email and are waiting for a reply, you don't just leave it. You follow up and make sure it's completed. A client should feel like they can trust you to handle things without needing to supervise you. That's what makes someone truly reliable. Now let's talk about Trello. Trello is not the solution, it's just a tool. It helps you clear your mind, see your tasks, track progress, and stay organized. The real goal is not to use Trello. The real goal is to start thinking in a structured, organized way. I want you to create a board called My Life Management System. This is where you will manage your life the same way you will eventually manage a client's work. This includes lists like inbox, to do, doing, waiting, and completed. Each list has a purpose, and together they create a simple system. Let's go through these lists. Each list teaches you something important. The inbox is where everything goes first, so nothing stays in your head. To do is where you commit to tasks. Doing is your focus zone, only a few tasks at a time. Waiting helps you track things that needs a response or follow up, and completed shows your progress. This system helps you think clearly and stay in control. The most important rule is simple. Nothing stays in your head. Everything goes into your system. This reduces stress, helps you stay organized, and makes you more reliable. That's how you build consistency and trust. For the next 7 days, I want you to treat your life like it is your very first client. You will set up your Trello board, track your time, organize one space, and clean up your digital environment. This is where you will start applying what you've learned. As the week continues, you will start planning your days, improving your system, and reflecting on what you've learned. Every day, try to update your board, plan for the next day, and reflect. Don't worry about being perfect, just stay consistent. Let's take a moment to reflect. If you were given a client today, how confident would you feel managing their work? There is no right or wrong answer, just be honest with yourself. Growth doesn't happen overnight. It happens through small, consistent actions. Be patient with yourself. Keep showing up. Keep improving. You've got this.